Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to showcase 7 hot haircut ideas. So if you're thinking of cutting your hair and making a major hair change, this video is for you. If you feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a thumbs up, and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see a beautiful bob haircut transformation. The stylist does give her a gorgeous classic bob that ends just below the jawline. Then we see another chic bob haircut. The stylist added some texture for some more volume. Beautiful bob transformation. Then we see someone with naturally curly wavy hair who's also going to be getting a beautiful bob haircut. Then we have another curly haircut transformation. It looks like she's going to be getting some layers with this one. Absolutely stunning. So as you guys know, layered hairstyles is one of the hottest trends that we're going to be seeing in 2023. So if you have naturally curly hair, you can get your hair cut into layers and it will give you beautiful volumized curls. Here we see a stunning French girl style bob. This one features a beautiful center part and fringe bangs. Then we see another classic jaw length style bob. And then this gorgeous pixie haircut. So I don't know about you guys, but I always feel so inspired making these videos. If you want to see more inspiring hairstyles, check out this video next.